everybody, it's Becca J. Today we are going to be trying out the Anastasia Aurora, the highlighter palette. Yay! Says metallic powder highlighters for intense luminosity. Complementing shades can be layered together to brighten cheekbones and décolleté, or worn separately over eyelids, brow bones, and inner corners of eyes. So we are going to be playing with some highlighter today, and it's going to be everywhere. I did some foundation and blush, and that's it right now because I want it. Ooh, I have a brush hair on my neck. Because I want, really, what I want is just to be drowning in highlighter. We're gonna course cheeks. I want to do an eye look. I'm gonna maybe put it on the lips. I don't have collarbones because I am overweight, but we're gonna be putting it everywhere. Are you ready? Okay, me too. So let's open this. It has a nice little easy pull sleeve, comes out. The box has color shifting, almost holographic look to it. And then here, this is like a holographic rainbow color shifting. Okay, the actual palette itself, it's more subtle. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have that rainbow oil slick look to it, and this is also the same in more of a intense metallic. Okay, it's just a simple little magnetized flip top. It has the beautiful Anastasia logo, has the Aurora Glow Kit title here. Okay, mirror free. And then there's the beautiful colors. When I first saw this, I was like, what would I do with all those odd color highlights? But I was in Ulta and they showed it to me. It was one of those behind the counter things. She's like, look, we just got these in today. I guess it was a restock because they're not new. She's like, and they're half off. And I was like, oh, ring me out. Yes, luckily I had enough, and I was fortunate enough to grab one of these, but I got it on sale. So, yay me. Removing the protector. Let's just get right on into the swatches because I'm excited to do something. Okay, here is Eclipse. It's a pink champagne pearl with peach reflect. Oh my goodness. That is intense. Do you see that? Here is Luna. It's mother of pearl with icy orchid reflect. Here is Spectra, a sparkling lilac pearl with iridescent blue-green reflect. Okay, here is Helia, yellow gold pearl with turquoise reflect. Orion, ocean blue pearl with purple amethyst reflect. And here is, it's either Lyra or Lyra. It's a rose gold pearl with champagne orchid reflect. Look at them, they just like sparkle. Okay, these were very smooth, very creamy. It didn't take much. It's not creamy in a cream sense. It's creamy as in just smooth and delicately powdery, yet you know what I mean. It's, it's cloudy. Look at, just, I think we need to play. Okay, I'm going to do some eyeshadow so that we can use this to like top it all off. I'm gonna use my candy palette. I'm keeping it basic and simple because I really want the highlighter to speak outrageously loud. Okay, it's very soft, very neutral. It's nothing wow factor, but we're about to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know I want to do the purple and the blue up there. Okay, I'm gonna try doing the purple in this third area. Definitely better if you use your finger. Okay, so what I did with my finger, I just put a little bit on the inner area and on the outside. It's very light, very subtle, but it's a beautiful topper. I think it's a great topper for the look that I'm kind of seeing in my head. Okay, and in between those two, I want to put the blue in the center, and I want it to bam. And I just put Fix Plus on it. Trying to blend it a little bit. Okay, there you go. It's almost like a holographic halo. Not really, because I'm a beginner and I have yet to really do great on the halo. Okay, now we just need a color in the inner corner and the eyebrow, of course. Trying to think, y'all. I think I'm going to try this Helia on the inner corner. Okay, now this Lyra, which is the rose gold pearl with champagne orchid reflects, I'm gonna put up here. Ever so gently. What do you think? Okay. So what have I not used? I've not used Eclipse or Luna, which is these two here. Let's see, I'm going to start off with Eclipse, can you see? Okay, I'm going to be brave and use Eclipse here where my collarbones would be. I don't know, can you see? Yeah. I just put it like everywhere. It's not too noticeable. Do you think? Just the right amount of sparkly. Okay, cheekbones, nose, face. We're gonna go in with Luna, which is this one here. The Icy White, which is called Mother of Pearl with Icy Orchid Reflect. Wish me luck. Just a little. Yes. This has an odd smell. It smells almost chemically. Just once, I would like to see a palette that smells like cherries. I'm surprised Too Faced hasn't done it. They've got the chocolate, they've got the peach. What else do they have? They don't have cherries. I would love to see a cherry palette. Dear Too Faced, I'd love to see a cherry palette. Yes, all the pinks and reds and burgundies, and yes, to do a smoky burgundy eye, make it smell like cherries too. Yes, we're gonna do a lip. Now I'm just using my Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Crayon in Soiree. I feel like the lip is too dark for the look I was going for. I was going for very soft but blinding. So let's see what we can do. Maybe we should put, thinking the peachy or this one. Let's start with this one, which is Eclipse. Let's start with it. I think that topped it off nicely. It's toned down that pink. Big pile of beautiful, gorgeous shimmer. Yes. Like Northern Lights. Yes, they have hit my face and my, yes, it's actually, I think it's actually really pretty. It's definitely not a look for doing laundry, but yes, just yes, it's a look for whatever you want to do. I like it, I really do. Okay, well, I will put the link down below to where I got it. I don't think it's on sale anymore, but you never know what might happen for you. Okay, if you've tried it, hated it, loved it, want to try it, let me know. You know, when I bought it, I was like, oh, it's on sale, it's a deal, and then I was looking at it, I was like, what am I going to do with all these highlighter colors? And there's odd colors, you know, I wouldn't put blue or purple on my cheek. And I was like, oh, I read the back, I was like, I can put it on my everything, and then my lids and my lips. I'm really liking what it did with the lipstick. It's just subtle but blinding at the same time. I'm loving it, and I'm not regretting it one bit. I thought I would, because I was like, I'm only going to use like 1 or 2 colors. No, I can use all of them all at once in different areas, and I'm happy. Okay, so link down below. Don't forget, while you're looking down below, go ahead and please subscribe. Bye.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.